How to delete your WhatsApp business account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your WhatsApp business account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete your WhatsApp business account, simply go ahead and open up WhatsApp business. Then you want to simply tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen. Then you want to simply tap on the settings option there. Once you're in the settings, you can see business tools option. The very first option down below, you can see account. Simply tap on account. Under account, you can see the option that says delete account. Simply tap on delete account. Then enter in your phone number here and then tap on delete account. You can see it says if you delete this account, the account will be deleted from WhatsApp and all your devices. Your message history will be erased. You'll be removed from all your WhatsApp groups. Any channels you created will be deleted as well. So simply enter in your phone number, tap on delete account, and you can go ahead and delete your account. This is how you can delete WhatsApp business account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.